All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how to put on and take off the exoskeleton in an efficient manner. So you're going to want the exoskeleton to look like this before putting it on. This is just going to make it a lot easier when sliding it on. You have the forearm straps already connected. So we're going to swing this over, like a backpack, over here, right there. All right. Have this in. We're going to start bottom to top when putting it on. So we start with the waist right here. Pull the straps out at the same time in front of you. Keep the buckle in the middle. We're going to connect the chest magnet here. Now we have the fabric pieces on, so we're going to engage the arms. We're going to pull the red tab on the shoulder, bring it out in front, slide your forearm through, and make sure that the elbow is bent to make it easier if they're wearing one sleeve. So you can really see the elbow. Forearm goes right underneath, bicep goes right over. All we're going to do is just tighten this bicep strap here. Now our arm is engaged, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Right here, forearm strap is already connected. Now we connect the bicep, and we tighten. So now we have our exoskeleton on, and I'm going to show you it's very important to take it off in the same way so that when you're putting it back on afterwards, it's a much more fluid process. So we're just going to, very importantly, loosen the bicep strap till the Velcro. You pull the red tab, slide your arm out, and just connect your magnet right here on the shoulder. Same thing here, loosen, pull the red tab, and connect to the shoulder right here. All right, and now chest off and waist off.